welcome back to my channel. On this channel I share about kids natural hair and kids protective hairstyle. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. You're going to love it here. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a very quick hairstyle you can make for your child in 10 to 15 minutes. If you attending a party or baby church and you just want to fix up something, this is your go-to hair. It's not going to take your time and it's going to come out nicely. Okay, while that is ongoing, let's talk about mistakes parents make while trying to grow their child's hair. The first mistake is overstyling and too much manipulation. I know we all love to make our child's hair look neat, but constantly pulling the hair, changing the style day by day, or making tight hairstyle for your child will cause breakage, which can stop the growth of your child's hair. So please just go for simple and protective styles that can last for days. The next one is skipping moisture and scalp care. If your child's hair and scalp is not well moisturized, the hair won't grow. If the scalp is dry and flaky, the hair won't grow well. Please apply water, leave-in conditioner and oil to keep the hair hydrated at all times. So the next one is not be gentle and skipping detangling. Have you ever been making your child's hair and the child is crying and shouting? No, the child is not being dramatic. Please, before you start making your child's hair, detangle properly. Try detangling with your fingers first, then you can use a white tooth comb. In my next video, I'm going to be discussing how to detangle your child's hair properly. So stay tuned for that. And the last one is not being patient. I know we are always in a hurry to finish up the hair so we can do other stuff, but rushing the hair can lead to breakage and even cause pain for the child. Please take your time, work in small sections, be gentle with your child's hair, and the hair is going to thank you. And there you have it. Avoid this mistake and you see a big difference in your child's hair growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And if you need an easy to follow guide on caring for your child's hair, I'm going to be dropping the link to get my ebook in the description box. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.